You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce in English, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Gnaw. Gnaw is how it is said in British English. Gnaw. The G is silent in American English, however, it's generally said as gnaw, gnaw in American English, or gnaw in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.